What's up, guys? These ladies just can't help themselves. She wants to be with the rooster so bad. He's still quarantined, and she's like, "Hey, how you doing?" These crazy girls. Oh, goodness. They're ready to come outside for sure. They are absolutely ready. Somebody has something going on with their foot. I was pulling them down off of the fencing in the door, and I got some blood on my finger. I'm not sure who it is. It's one of the dark ones, I think, but we'll see. We'll keep an eye on them. These crazy girls. Hi, sweeties. Oh, goodness. How you doing? How you doing? You want to be a YouTube star? Come on, girl. Are you stuck or what? Come on, let's go this way. Come on. There you go. There you go. I know. Tell me what? Tell me what? Huh? Tell me what? What you doing? Huh? You miss your boy? Goodness sakes. Y'all miss the boy, huh? Oh, he misses you too. He misses you too. Maybe tomorrow he'll come out of quarantine, huh? Maybe he'll be okay. So he can hang out with you guys. Uh-oh. It's just talking to my mom. I love you, Mom. All right, guys. We're going to put these girls to bed. They're just hanging out. They're like, Papa, you need to go inside because we're all sleepy. We'll see you in the morning. Well, I guess they're hungry too. So, oh, you're a beautiful girl. Look at that. What a beautiful girl. My goodness. All right, guys. Be good to yourself, be good to your neighbors and everybody else. We love you, and we got bald chicken butts, and we'll see you next time.